Welcome to Luma, the first multi-carrier shipping AI trained by billions of historical shipments. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Luma Select, which allows you to craft your shipping rules that will automatically purchase the best label every time. Let's dive in. After logging into EasyPost, select Access Luma, then Automation Rules in the top right of the screen, or go to Shipping Settings, Luma Select. A key feature of Luma is the rate shopping rules. Other systems require multiple custom, hard-coded rules that need a lot of management and development resources, in particular when carriers adjust service levels or rates. But EasyPost has done the hard work to simplify this process and ensure that we're always selecting the best rate. Luma uses a predictive AI model built upon the billions of shipments we've tracked. It allows us to predict how likely each carrier and service level will make an on-time delivery for every single zip code from and to pair. What does that mean? It means if a customer is expecting their package delivery on Monday, we'll choose the cheapest live rate that will get it there on Monday. That's among all the carriers you have set up across all locations, no matter if there's a weekend or it's a remote area. Customer expectations matter. Luma makes sure you meet them. In Luma Select, two rules come standard: cheapest delivery and deliver by date. Cheapest delivery defaults to picking the cheapest label, no matter how long it takes to deliver. This is great when you offer free shipping or a standard shipping option where you want the lowest cost and you're not providing a specific delivery date. Deliver by date allows you to promise a delivery date to shoppers so they know when items are going to be delivered by. This is important because most shopping experiences give a loose estimate of delivery dates, if any estimate at all. Many shoppers churn because they do not know when an item is going to arrive. Deliver by date should be used when you are promising a delivery date on the checkout page and simply want the cheapest rate that will deliver by then. This one Luma rule can be used for multiple shipping options on the checkout page. For example, standard shipping in 5 days and express delivery in 2 days. Both of these can be rate shopped within this one rule. If these rules are not enough, you can add your own. To add your own rule, click Add a Rule. This brings you to the Luma Select Rule Editor, where you can choose settings that will be used to decide which label to purchase for a package. Give your rule a name at the top. In the Delivery Settings dropdown, you can add time in transit criteria, like 1 day or 5 days, or a deliver by date. Again, it's super important for shoppers to see a delivery date. Did you know that 70% of carts are abandoned due to the cost of shipping, delivery speed, or the lack of knowing when the item will be delivered? On top of that, 48% of consumers expect faster delivery times. So it's important to provide different options with estimated delivery dates. Importantly, these drop-down options account for total calendar days, not just business days. Most shipping tools and delivery estimates use business days, but shoppers don't care. They want to know the day or date their order will be delivered. Whether it's a weekend or a public holiday doesn't matter. What does matter is the expectation that you're setting with them. Next, you can set delivery confidence, which is a way of answering the question of how much do I want to guarantee the delivery date? The more time-sensitive your delivery, the higher you want your delivery confidence setting to be. A high or very high delivery confidence is particularly important for shippers with perishable goods, like food, flowers, or medicine. Note that a higher delivery confidence may lead to a more expensive label, since the delivery date is so crucial. This confidence is based on our AI model, not what a carrier estimates. There are some areas where carriers are notorious for having delivery issues, in particular remote locations, PO boxes, or residential blocks. Even if carriers guarantee delivery, things happen. Packages get lost, delayed, and damaged all the time. Carriers overestimate and underestimate. Why pay for an expensive overnight service for a same-city delivery when a cheaper service will get it there tomorrow? Next, you can choose which carriers you would like to use for this rule using the Carriers Used section. We recommend leaving this as All Carriers. If you work with a regional carrier, you could use this section to create a rule set that only uses them for particular delivery areas. Or if you have contracted minimums, you could use this rule to make sure you reach those. Cost threshold allows you to set your maximum price for the label. The contingency plan determines what label this Luma Select rule will default to if a label cannot be found that meets the criteria. For instance, a high-confidence one-day delivery under $5. From there, all you need to do is click Save and your rule set has been created. Luma is now ready to automatically select the most cost-effective and suitable labels for your shipments. You can then share your rules and the API documentation with a developer. They can hook up these rules for purchasing shipments through the API. For more information, please visit easypost.com/Luma. Happy shipping!